very dangerous is hiding out there. And they are not prepared to face it. They have returned. Today in the morning, I had a premonition, and I saw again those signs in the sky. And what I feared has come true.
Why do you think they are back?
It can only be for one thing, and it's revenge.
This is very different from last time. This species is more superior to us. They are born hunters. And they only live for it.
These beasts are not what they seem. They are Moai.